Hey guys, so this is just going to be a quick fun video of a fun little project that I got going on this weekend. Basically, the computer that I have that I used to make the videos is getting too old and it's time for me to replace it. This is the new setup that I got. I'm still waiting on some parts to come in, but most of them are here now. I'm going to show you guys the motherboard that I'm going to be using. This is made by ASUS. It is a ProArt X670E. It's meant for creators, for video creation, editing, and things like that. It has Wi-Fi built in. It's meant for AMD. I'm switching from Intel to AMD this time. It has the PCIe 5.0 ports and DDR4 support with Wi-Fi built in. And I'm going to be using some solid state drives here. I have a total of 4 terabytes. And I'm going to be splitting them up like this. I just happen to take advantage of the deals they had on Amazon for Prime, so that's why they have double. I would have wanted to have a single 4 terabyte drive, but it is what it is. This is also right here. I have the DDR5. I'm going to be using 4 gigabytes of RAM. This is a pretty fast RAM, 6,000 megahertz. The motherboard supports up to 128, I believe. But we're going to start with 64, which is more than enough for what I need right now. And I'm also going to be installing the Windows 11 Pro edition. And I have here the AMD Ryzen 9 series 7950 X3XD. Okay, so this is the processor I'm going to be using. And this is the cooler for it, only one cooler from Corsair. And a 1000 watt power supply as well. As you can see, I'm a fan of Corsair, so I got a lot of Corsair products in here. And all of this stuff is going to go right into this case right here. This is the case that I'm going to be using. I'm still, trying to read through the instructions on this one here, but it's a pretty nice case, and it has a lot of airflow. 3 fans here in the front. Has 1 fan there in the back. You can't really see that right now. I am still waiting on one more thing, which is NVIDIA RTX GeForce 4080 Super. That's the video card that I'm going to be throwing into this guy right here. And yeah, I just can't wait to start putting all this stuff together. And I'll show you guys, give you guys an update later on to see how it all came out. If you're curious, this is the old computer right here. This is an iBuyPower. It's probably more than 10 years old by this time. It does have an Intel i7 processor in it. It's just really old motherboard and has 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it's not able to keep up anymore with the demands that I have. But yeah, that's it for now.